In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the secret activity log in Windows 11. This hidden log is incredibly useful if you want to see what's been happening on your computer behind the scenes. It can help you troubleshoot problems, check for suspicious activity, or simply understand what your system has been doing over time. We're going to do everything using tools already built into Windows, so you don't have to install anything extra. Just follow along step by step. First, go down to the search icon on your taskbar. If you don't see a dedicated search icon, you can also click the Start button and just start typing. In the search box, type Event Viewer. You should see an app called Event Viewer appear in the results. Go ahead and open that. When Event Viewer loads, you'll notice it looks a bit technical. But don't worry, we're only going to use a few key sections. On the left side, you'll see a panel with a tree of options. Look for Windows Logs. Click the small arrow next to it to expand the list if it isn't already expanded. Under Windows Logs, you'll see several categories like Application, Security, Setup, System, and possibly others. Each of these is essentially a different slice of your activity log. Start by clicking on Security. This is where Windows records logins, logouts, and security-related events. After you click it, give it a few seconds. In the middle of the window, you'll see a long list of entries appear, each with a date and time, a source, and an event ID. This is your detailed activity history from a security standpoint. If you want to see what a particular entry means, double-click on it. A new window will open with a description and more details. These descriptions can be a bit technical, but the time, date, and general summary are usually enough to understand what happened. Next, click on System under Windows Logs. This log shows system-level events, things like drivers starting or stopping, devices connecting or disconnecting, and system errors. Again, you can double-click any entry to see more details. You can also use the Filter Current Log option on the right side of the window to narrow things down by date, event level, or keywords, which is helpful if you're looking for something specific. When you're done, you can simply close Event Viewer. Your logs are saved automatically. There's nothing extra you need to do. That's how you access and explore the hidden activity log in Windows 11.